Hi everyone, welcome back to Today DIY. Today we are diving into a classic relaxing craft and dipped candle. It's an old-fashioned technique that creates beautiful rustic candle perfect for gift or cozy home decor. So grab your wax, wicks, and let's get started. So the wax I'll be using in today's video is a paraffin wax. So it comes in slabs. So here I have about three slabs. Each slab weighs around 5 kg, so I'm using a total of three, which will weigh somewhere around 15 kg in total. So cutting slab is very tough, so you have to be careful. We need to cut them into smaller pieces to help the melting process. So when done cutting, I will transfer it into a deep container like the one you are seeing in this video, and I'm going to melt them on medium heat. You can use double boiler method as well, but it takes a longer time for the wax to completely melt. So while that is melting, the next step is to prepare our wicks. So this is the wick I'll be working with today. So I'll go ahead and prepare my wicks. These are the hangers I'll be working with. So the next step is to tie your wicks around the hanger just like as you are seeing in this video. Then carefully dip them into a melted wax. Then bring it out. Give it for like 2 to 3 seconds. Then twist it around the hanger. In that way, it will end up with an opening like this at the end of the production. You're going to repeat this process with all your wigs. So when that is done, carefully dip them into the melted wax. So let's say forget, once the wax is completely melted, you have to turn off the heat. Then carefully dip the candle into the wax. At the initial stage, you need to do this once. Then hang it right on the rack you want to dry your candles. Once you have got the charge you want, let the candle cool completely. If the bottom is uneven, simply press it into a warm surface to flatten it or cut it according to the size you desire. Trim the wick about quarter inch and there you have it. Beautiful handmade candle. And now you know how to make hand-dipped candle right at home, whether you are making them for yourself or as a gift. This simple craft is both fun and rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy candle making.